Cruise Crew, it's your boy Jay Cruz from the AUDIOZONE channel. Always want to thank you guys for watching. Always thank y'all for the support. Giving you a shop update so you know exactly what's going on. On Mr. Jamal's car, this is going to have his own video for the lighting, but on top of that, for something really amazing we're doing, so stay tuned for that. We got Jason Clark here. We did a build for him. We're actually working on his suspension. His suspension was really damaged. The ball joint wouldn't lock into his old control arms. He had a couple issues, so we put new control arms in from BMR. We're gonna button this car up together to get this down the floor so we can put this one on the lift and do the surprise on that one. We did the long tube headers on this one, as you can tell here. We got the pipes that need to go in and a couple other things. This is the wide body that this video is really about. So this is about the wide body. We got the front fascia removed. We got the rear bumper already installed, as you could tell. And now we're getting all the test fitting done for all the parts that we need to be able to get this car in its place. So right now, the static of the white car is in progress. We're got the front bumpers off. The guys already got the bumpers with all the parts getting installed on it. Let me show you over here. So we have the old bumper, we have the new bumper. We got that one getting ready to be installed here, so we could do the wide body install here, y'all, so stay tuned on that. Meanwhile, that's going on, we have a Lexus that came in because they have no audio. I think he figured that one out. And today we got the R8 back, y'all. So today's video is gonna be, well, damn, let me tell you how I want to do this video. So I got the wide body and I got the R8. In fact, I'm just gonna put the R8 in the wide body video. This one here, we already did the carbon fibers, y'all seen in the previous video. Today we're gonna be doing all of the rest, the V10 blackout, the Audi emblem blackout, the gas cap, adding these pieces in carbon fiber. We did the spoiler, we did all that already, and we're changing these badges out too. So this is what the day's looking like today. And we also got that car, Scat Pack, out for a tune, and the raffle car is in progress, y'all. Stay tuned. I got delayed getting some parts for this car, but you're gonna be very surprised with this raffle car. Don't forget to get on it. It could be raffle creators, it could be a custom wrap, custom wheels. Gonna have everything, y'all. That comment said gonna have everything, y'all. So stay tuned on that. The link's in the bio. If you want to get on this raffle, it's gonna be a wide body. It's gonna be an amazing build, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're gonna get you a little update of what's going on in the back with the Camaro, the purple car, and the Audi's already done. In fact, let me go show you the Audi so you can see what we did to the Audi today, and y'all can have that information and what's going on. So here goes a beautiful R8 today. We finished up the lower split, the lower front chin, carbon fiber. Did the black badges here, black badges here, black badges here. Did these the other day, the side skirts. We did all this in carbon fiber, so this is ready to go. Black badges here, black badges here. This R8 is ready to go. Now, let's go inside the shop and get you an update on the suspension. And then we have the purple car. That is the car that's in journey for the suspension work, which I'll show you what we're doing to that one. You get inside the store here and get y'all to the shop. Alrighty, so here we got the lower control arms on. So they got BMR lower control arms, the original spindle. We're mounting this one up to get this car going here. Now this purple car is gonna jump up here so we can do what we have to do on her. Then we have the wide body, which is the other build that is in process right now. This one is gonna be a journey, but it's gonna be pretty badass when it gets done with it, y'all. Josh should get rid of this headlight problem real quick. Once we get that done, we'll get back on here. And we got Bust Down. I don't know what your new name, what's your new name on the channel now?
Still Bust Down King.
Still Bust Down King, man. Cause he's up in the building coming to visit today, man. What you want to tell the camera, man?
Man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to Bust Down King, man. Come to AUDIOZONE in Irving, man. You get every quality you want out here. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
Don't forget, on Fridays, they get free fallopian tubes.
Yeah, they can have it. I don't want none.
Yeah, let me get back to work and have you back with y'all in a minute. All right, giving y'all a little update of the shop, y'all. So on the Camaro, suspension's in, lower control arm brand new inner and outer tie rods with the connectors, the new sway bar links, both sides, even the rack and pinion bar is brand new. So all this is good to go. This is an old piece, but it doesn't really matter at that point. Then over here in the back, we also have the original suspension changed out. We got our new shock absorbers and other trailing arms and all that in there, because that's good. But now, let's bring it back to this build. Because this was at the point in time we already had the side skirts installed. Now you can see the difference where it's the side skirts. So this is what it's coming out to be. As we start building this car, you're getting an idea of generally what it got to be, what it's gonna come together to be when she is done. So just giving you an update, man. I try to give you all the most that I can in content. It's just very difficult with a lot of phone calls. Thanks to you guys for the support and the business and this channel. But it's just a lot of work, y'all. So meanwhile that's going on, I got my son over here. He's customizing some, let me show you, some light for Mr. Jamal. So they could be the diffused DLR kits. DFU projector for there and for the fog lights, and they're going to be the kit for Jamal. So we're getting this car together right now and getting this car situated, y'all. If we keep on getting these builds going, man, we want to always thank y'all for support, but this is what makes the dream work happen, man. We work our butts off and get it done. What up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, here with another day, another video. I just pulled up to the shop, man. Let me walk into the shop and show you what's going on. We got this white one here. We got the Camaro. We got... Good morning, Mr. Josh. How are you doing today, sir? Everything is awesome. Like that one song says, everything is awesome. We got Mr. Jose over there. Look at my guy. Look at my guy over here. Come here. Let me say my guy. What's going on, Machete? You in a good mood today? You smiling, brother?
Yes, sir. Always, man.
Man, that's a good thing, man. I know we have a special guest coming in from out of town today. We're gonna go. You're the gentleman from Louisiana? You the gentleman from Louisiana? What's going on, man? Say hi to the camera, man. You're on camera this morning. How you doing today? Let's go see your build and see what we got going on with her, man. It's the Flores. Oh, you're not a new customer. You're from the word. He's from Louisiana. He's from Louisiana. Give me a second, y'all. All right, let's see what we're dealing with here in your baby girl. So you got a kitty cat, and this is the one you called about the security. You worried about it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't blame you, man. So what year is she?
16.
16, man. How long you've had it? 2 years. How do you like her, man? You got the same feeling I had, man. When I bought mine, I love it to death. And mine's white also, which makes it amazing. I like the sunroof though, man. That's actually a rare build, man. That's actually pretty cool. So this one came in for security, but you also say you had something else going on with her. What's going on with the car? You want to get something else done, you said? The tune or the pulleys? Let's go see what you're working with here, man. Let me pop her open and see what we're dealing with, to know what we got to do to get it right. Cause we're gonna try to get the alarm. We're gonna get the alarm done for sure, and he wants to get this done here. All right, so he is running a grip tech on the top, perfect. And then you have a 10% lower. You got a 10% lower, yes you do. And then you want to convert it back to 93. That's kind of what we're going through. Okay, where's the other pulley you got? So on this one, we're planning on going to 93, and I understand it because the 85 is probably harder to find in Louisiana, right? You don't get it too much over there? Yeah, in Texas, we have them everywhere. Some of them test out good, some of them test out bad. Like Kroger's has been the best one for me so far. They're running approximately E81, E80 to E83. The racetracks and stuff are always E70 something, so it's not that good. We do have the grip tech here, y'all. And then we got the belt also? Yeah. Okay. So you want to get that done too. You want to change this pulley out and go for a tune for 93 because you could drive it normal. I got you. We'll get this going in here, y'all. He got the leather seats in here, y'all. Yep, not the Alcantara. He's got a beautiful build. I like that. I love the gun shifter, man. I like that a lot, man. That's unique, man. But anyway, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get this car inside, get its quotes going on, and get this car built for this young man. We can have the security and be able to drive a 93. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we got the car in the shop. John's already getting the alarm system ready, but now we're about to start with the new installation of his new pulley. Because it's a drip tech. She's a 3.10 right there. Got the new belt. And now my son's gonna start disassembling and getting this going to put the new grip tech on, get the new belt on, and get this car ready for the tune to be installed, to get it to be running its maximum on a 93 tune, and that's kind of what the concept is. So we're in the process of doing that right now. I should have the car to shoot. Y'all gonna see in a few minutes, man. It's really about maybe 2 hours, 2.5 hours of time. But this is what the process is right now to get this car in here, to get the security done, get the car secured, and also get this pulley swapped out so we can run a 93 tune and still have a lot of fun in this car. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so giving you the beauty of a grip tech, all right? Just so you understand what's going on. The beauty of a grip tech is you take off the bolts in the front of it and you can just switch out the pulley. Boom. That's the snout. That's the pulley. Put the new one in. We have this to block the coolant from coming out, but now we got the pulley in. Now we do the reinstallation, torque it down, and that part's done with the new belt, y'all. Because y'all have an update. And Josh is almost done with the security. And like I said, y'all see this in minutes. There's actually hours of work, y'all. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys. So on this car, we've already installed the pulley, as you can tell. New belt, pulley's installed. We're letting it run to make sure the thermostat open, make sure the liquids are fine before we release this vehicle. I'm about to get it turned on. We're watching the thermostat temperature. I'll show you that now. So we can see where the thermostat temperature is. Right now she's at 154. And once she gets up to where we want it to be, we'll be able to make sure the thermostat is opening and that everything on the unit is good, and we ain't got a problem with it as far as any coolant leaks or any kind of things like that, because we did touch the front of the vehicle. But right now she's running at 160, 180 when the thermostat's open. I'm gonna get to about 190, and once it gets to 190, I'm gonna make sure the fluids are good, make sure there's no air in the system. Then I'll be able to get the car outside, put a tune in it. The remote started security system's done. But once I get this going now, I'll be able to get the tune on it, give it some checks, and make sure everything's going good, so stay tuned. I know where I got my camera from. It's a place called Best Buy. It's the GoPro 2. I had a Sony before. I ran into this camera with CJ on 32. So when he came by, he had this camera. He told me how much he liked it, and I said, you know what, let me go grab it. And it makes a lot of sense because I can film like this. I can flip it while I'm recording and make Instagram posts, make YouTube posts, everything right on the camera. I got batteries, I got microphones, I got everything I want. So it became very convenient, and it's very smooth because it's gimbal operated. So there's not a lot of shaking and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? But you're hearing your car purr. Everything so far is looking good. I'm gonna get it out the bay, go in the front. I'm gonna load up the 93 tune. We'll cycle some gas through it, and you'll be all right. You'll be ready to go back home. Just like that, boom. But stay tuned. If we get the car out front for the tune, then I go ahead and I finish the security build with him on his build that he has for his security system. Show him how it works, how the kill switches work, what he's got going on, and get him released and go back home to Louisiana. Look if he wants to hang out in Dallas to play with the Viper. Nah. Alright guys, so at this point in time, we got the 310, we took the 275 off. He's going to a 93 octane tune. Great idea for daily, especially when you don't have a lot of E85 out there, but you still want to have more performance than your regular car has. So at this point in time, let me just show you what we're dealing with so you understand. So I'm gonna switch this around here, and I'm gonna let y'all zoom in here.
System ready.
You see a fuel level, y'all? He's at a quarter tank. Okay, but this is where the question comes in for him. He's wondering if, and this is a tech talk for you guys, if you have a car with a 275 or a car that's tuned to require E85 or above, MS109 or other racing gas, 115 octane or plus, you cannot run 93 octane in that car and floor it. You will blow out your motor, period, point blank. If you have a car that's designed to be on 93, you just can't throw E85 to have it, you know, more octane. There's a lot of differences that happen in this car. This car already has injectors. This car already has a fuel system to be able to accommodate for the E85 and the higher flow. But he went to a 310 to be able to bring the boost down. That way he will be able to drive his car on 93 octane. So with a quarter tank of gas, we have some fuel pails that he had brought with him of 93 octane. We're gonna go ahead and mix the 93 octane in with the E85 quarter tank that he has. That's gonna probably bring it around the E60, E50 range, something like that. You know what I'm saying? So he'll be able to start driving home. But like I tell him, this is a cycle. So right now, these tanks we're gonna put in, it's gonna mix with the 85. You wanna run it as close as possible to empty, let it all flush out of the system, and then fill up your tank with a 93 octane again, and now you have a car that you can play around with. And the same goes vice versa. If you have a car that's flex tuned or a car that has flex fuel, you will be able to have E85 and 93 run the car automatically. But when you're gonna have some big event or something that you really wanna have the top performance of the car, flush, drive the cars on the 93 if you're driving on that as low as possible, put at least a half a tank, a 3/4 tank of E85, run that tank through, and then give yourself a full tank of E85 to be able to go play. So that cycle is very important for you to understand, because you don't wanna blow out your car for detonation, for not having the right, you know, when you're going to high boost in these cars, it requires more fuel. That's what the fuel pumps are for. It requires more gas. You got the injectors for that. Then you have the pulleys to accommodate with the air. A motor is a vacuum pump. Gas and air make it work. All the technology just makes it work better. But it's the same concept since they built motors from the beginning. Just for fuel injection, we got direct port, which means that the injectors shoot the fuel directly into the cylinders directly, which is an advantage over a carburetor that shoots it out of a carburetor, and it itemizes and just flows with the air into the cylinder that the valve is open on. So it's a different kind of build. But on this one, he will be safe. We're gonna go ahead and put the 2 tank of 93 octane with his 85, let him run that, start driving home today. Then when he gets home, he can put 93 a full tank, and he'll be able to play with his new setup on this Hellcat. So now I'm gonna go to do this gas for him real quick, get this gas in the car, go inside the shop, load up his drone application, show him how to use it, and get my customer very happy and on his way home with not only the performance he wanted, but with the security he also needs. All right guys, so I just finished loading up the tune in that car. Everything's there, everything there is set. Now I'm gonna come inside the shop, set up his drone, show him how his security system works, and get him on the road with this happy build, man. I know he can be very happy and ecstatic. I'm about to set his drone up, and I'm gonna show you how that works for him, how it works, while we show him how to do it. But right now, I'm gonna set up his drone, and we'll get y'all going in a minute. All right, so at this point, we're at the finale of this beautiful build. The unit is installed, the tune is done, but I'm walking him through his unit to show him how this security system actually secures his car. We got his drone mobile going. He got the remote controls. I'm gonna give you your phone. Where's your keys at? Go steal your car. Pretend like you're just normal. Go steal your car. Just go steal your car. The car? The key for the car?
Yep.
I didn't bring them. Hold on a second, man. Let me see if I got the keys. Here goes your phone. But give me 1 second. Let me grab your keys. Let me grab his keys so we can see this whole kill switch working here, y'all. We got my guy. Say hi to the camera, man. What's up, Vato? Yes, sir. Let me come and grab this key of this car. Where's the keys of his car? Right here. Okay. So now let me go show him. Could have demoed without the keys. Alrighty, so now here goes the keys of your car. Pretend I cloned your key. She locked. Oh, let me close your trunk too, because we have your trunk open in the app. But go start your car now. Go steal your car. Car's not starting. Your phone's going off. You hear it?
Yeah.
And your remote control's going off. So you're being alerted on your remote of what happened to your car, and you're also being alerted on your phone about what's going on with your car. So now, to disarm it, hit the unlock button 1 time on the side, unlock. Boom, hit it 1 time, and then hit it again because it's still locked. You see it's still locked? Hit it 1 more time. Now start your car. So now you know that whenever the unit is armed, your complete system is armed up. Let his phone ring there. It's all good, brother. You're a busy man. But right now, you got to understand that when the alarm system is armed, either from remote or phone or anywhere, your car is secured. They can't start the car. You got trunks, you got hood coverage, you got doors covered, you got shock sensor, glass break, and tilt. All right, because I mean, because they try to lift up the car, you're gonna know. Try to cut the glass or break the glass, you're gonna know. Try to hit the car in any way, you're gonna know. Try to open up a door, you're gonna know. Try to open up a hood, you're gonna know. Try to open up a trunk, you're gonna know. That means no matter what happens to your car, your phone is going off like you heard it go off. How do you feel about that?
Good.
You feel secured now?
Yeah.
Man, we appreciate you coming to the shop, man. Enjoy the car. This is a beautiful baby girl. Enjoy it, man. Anything we can do to serve you, let us know, champion.
All right.
God bless you, Bobby. Let me go grab this picture here and get it going, y'all. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Always thank you guys for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.